Jolly One. Now you get to see what I'm going to do today. I'm going to start rolling and hopefully get something good. Do you think I could get something good? That's awesome. And if we do, that's amazing. And please hit that sub and hit the notification bell and like and subscribe. And turn your all notifications on. And please subscribe. Yeah, I'll stop talking now. But am I cooked? If you didn't see my last video, here's my newest video. But I think I might be cooked because I have like 6 million, actually not 6 million, 175k rolls, and I only have like, my best is Starlight. I think I might be cooked. I mean Twilight. Yeah, so I might be cooked. So what should I'm going to do I'm gonna see what my daily quests are. Fortune potions, okay. See if we can go find those. By the way, the quartz, aura is actually really cool. I never noticed it before. Like, it actually looks like it could be a 1 in 49,000. Or it could be like the 1 in 32k. How it follows up with powered. Look, there's one. Just need 5 more. I'm not putting on any auras with music because I don't want to get copyright struck. Because that could be really bad for this channel. As soon as I become bigger and I figure out how to turn off sound effects for even my auras, stay tuned. Then I won't have sound anymore. Yeah, but if you could comment down how to turn off my sound effects, like how Unbound has these like lightning strikes, and also how like when I put like on Celestial and it has like a sound. Can you tell me how to turn it off? Just put that in the comments down below. Yeah, I'm gonna just roll and I'm just gonna AFK for a bit. Okay, I will be AFKing for now. Then I'm going to stop recording. Yeah, bye.